When I stand in front of my window and look out, I see tall buildings, long roads full of vehicles moving in orderly lines, neat green hedges and lawns, and tidy pavements to walk on. I close my eyes and for a moment I am back in my valley, the high snow-topped mountains, green waving fields and fresh blue rivers, and my heart smiles when it looks at the people of Swat. My mind transports me back to my school, and there I am reunited with my friends and teachers. I meet my best friend and we sit together, talking and joking, as if I had never left. Then I remember I am in Birmingham, England.